Thanos is also the Celestial.
That's true. Yeah, yeah. Oh, right. It's a Titan, right? Celestial?
The Celestial, I think.
Oh, he's also a Titan.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah, because he's yeah,
Because his brother, who was Celestial, popped up at the end of it.
yeah. What was that?
That was
Thor.
Eternals.
Eternals. That was a good movie.
Yeah, that was
No,
a good movie.
people didn't like that. I enjoyed it. I
That
thought
was
it was good.
and they by far casted the best. Well, not casted, but illustrated the best speedster.
I was just about to say that. That's weird that you were thinking
Best
that.
speedster.
Yeah, yeah.
Ever in film.
Yeah, I don't know. Barry Allen on the Flash TV shows.
Oh yeah, I like him.
Yeah, yeah. But you're
I like
right.
him a
I mean,
lot.
some of the Fleet don't.
I'm just talking about
yeah.
just the way they animated her.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. She did look cool. The whole movie looked cool.
Oh yeah.
So, all right, my number 2, Thor, Odin's son, God of Thunder. Another.
My number 2, I'm gonna shoot off the hip, and I think I like it.